Have you ever wondered why playing guitar consistently well always seems to feel just out of reach? Have you felt there was something missing in your guitar lessons and your practicing? Maybe you've dreamed of playing your favorite rock anthems and guitar solos, but frustration from things like not being able to put it all together, not knowing how to fix bad habits, and goals that weren't quite clear have kept your guitar collecting dust. At Manchester, New Hampshire Guitar Lessons, the approach is different. Here, every lesson connects you directly to your goals. Whether it's mastering the guitar techniques you need to play the music you want, or just jamming out sounds you love at home. Imagine being part of a community where you get constructive feedback and you get tangible results to show your progress, where every session brings you closer to being the guitarist you've always wanted to be. Are you ready to bridge the gap between frustration and fulfillment and finally play guitar in a way that puts a smile on your face? Click on Book Now to book your call with Manchester, New Hampshire Guitar Lessons today, and let's start your journey towards real guitar mastery.